What's up, everybody? And this thing right here is the RAZER OVERWATCH keyboard. In this video, we're gonna review this thing. Dude, this thing is like pretty big. It can't even fit on my camera. But anyways, this is the RAZER Black Widow Chroma Overwatch keyboard, and I believe it was actually I think it is around $80, so it is pretty pricey. And yeah, it's supposed to be a pretty good keyboard. So one thing I noticed is that these letters, they have a really nice font. As you can see here, yeah, I really like this font. There's also these two keys, which I think are exclusive to the Overwatch keyboard. But let's just look at these keys sound. Just see how they sound in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Obviously, these are really, really nice keys. Oh my gosh, I get to fall asleep to this. Oh my gosh. I just can't stop clicking them. Alright, I need to stop before I get an addiction to clicking keyboards. Alright, also these have a little LED thing. That's what this white thing is right here in between all the keys. And I'm gonna go test that out soon. And yeah, also the cord it has is this really nice braided cord you can see right here. So the whole keyboard is like Overwatch thing, like it's orange and black everywhere. But I guess let's test out how the LEDs work. Okay, so I'm here at my computer. I just have to plug this in to USB port, and it should start lighting up. So hopefully this works, because if it doesn't, I'll be very angry. Alright, plugging it in. Oh yes, the keyboard actually lights up. Dude, this looks so cool. Like doing a gradient. And also, oh, that just sounds so nice. I could do this all day. Dude, this keyboard looks insane. Also, there's this app called RAZER Pro. You can completely customize what you want your lights to be, but it's really, really hard to learn. So, yeah, I don't think so. But yeah, that was the review of this keyboard. I would recommend this keyboard. It's very, very cool. It is a little pricey, but, you know, it's a very, very cool keyboard. Also, guys, I just figured out how you can, like, change how these look. So, right now it's on fire mode. Then if you click any of these right here, like static green, so you just become static green. I don't really like that. And then breathing green, I don't know what that is. Doesn't really look any difference. Then wave, this one's pretty cool. You see? Then there's fire. I really like fire. Starlight, which is not that cool, it's just a bunch of green flashes. Wheel. And also, press FN, F9. Whenever you tap, the key lights up. Which is pretty cool. Alright, bye everybody.